with the nuclear proliferation treaty, we were at the time restricting a highly dangerous activity, and it depends on how we're looking at SRM. I think some people will argue this is highly dangerous and it needs to be controlled, constrained, and managed in that way. And others are, and I would argue, increasingly saying this is a tool that the world is ever more likely to need, and the governance is not about necessarily controlling or preventing many countries from doing it, because that's not even possible, but it's about how we as a collective community decide to use the tool for the benefit of the planet. So while I think there's some really good lessons and examples to be culled from the nuclear proliferation treaty, there are also some important differences as we think about how this might take shape.